Alright guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. The name here is John Williams. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to the channel, like and drop a comment. In today's video, I'm teaching you how to connect your Solana wallet to a Tapswap. So let's head over to Telegram. So we head over to Telegram to the Tapswap bot. Then we click on start as you see on my screen. Then we click on task. Then we click on connect Solana wallet. Then we click on go. Then we click on connect as you see on the screen right now. You see in this page, it will be directed for us to download the Phantom Solana app wallet as you see on the screen. So there are 4 wallets here. You choose the Phantom Solana wallet here as you see on the screen. So if you are using, if you're an Android user, you download it on Play Store, but if you're an iOS user, you download it on the App Store. Then install the app.